Welcome everybody, myself Swati Shinde. Here we discuss about Drug and Magic Remedies Act. The Drug and Magic Remedies Act, which came into force on 1st of April 1955. This act is also known as Objectionable Advertisement Act, or in shortly we called it as a DMR Act. Object of the act: this act is provide for to control certain types of advertisement relating to drug and prohibit certain kinds of advertisement relating to magic remedies which falsely claim and mislead public, and to provide matter related therewith. Some important definitions are: advertisement, it includes any notice, circular, label, wrapper, or otherwise such document, and any announcement made orally or by means of producing or transmitting light, sound, or smoke. Second definition: magic remedies. It includes a talisman, mantra, kavach, and any other charm claiming to possess miraculous power. For what purpose? For diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of any disease in human beings or animals, or for affecting or altering the structure or organic function of the body of human beings or animals. Next definition, that is drug, is a medicine for internal or external use of human beings or animal, a substance intended for diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease in human beings or animal. Third, an article other than food which affect or alter the structure or organic function of the body of human beings or animal. Or last definition, an article used as a component of any medicine. Some classes of prohibited advertisements. First class, advertisement of drug which may lead to their use for the treatment of certain disease and disorder. The disease and disorders are as follows. First one, for procurement of miscarriage or prevention of conception in women, for correction of menstrual disorder, for maintenance of power of human beings for sexual pleasure, and for diagnosis, cure, treatment, prevention of any disease or disorder or condition specified in the schedule of the act. Second class, advertisement of magic remedies for the treatment of certain disease and disorder which claim to be efficacious for any of the above purpose specified in the first as above means for the procurement of miscarriage, conception in women, and for maintenance of sexual pleasure in human beings. Next class, misleading advertisement relating to drugs which directly or indirectly give false impression regarding true nature of drug or make any false claim for such drugs. Next class, classes of exempted advertisement means what? These advertisements are not prohibited by Drug and Magic Remedies Act. That exempted advertisements are as follows. First one, any advertisement relating to drug which are printed or published by government or with the prior permission of government. Second class, any advertisement relating to drug which is sent confidentially in a prescribed manner to a registered medical practitioner. Next class, advertisement including any book dealing with any matter related to disease, disorder, or condition which are otherwise prohibited or published from a bona fide scientific reason. Next class, display signboard or notice by RMP, that is registered medical practitioner, on his premises indicating that the treatment is undertaken for any disease or disorder or condition specified in the schedule of the act. Next class, advertisement relating to drug which comply with the required condition as leaflet or literature. Second, advertisement of drug in a medical, pharmaceutical, scientific and technical journals. Third, therapeutic index or price list published by licensed manufacturer, importer, or distributor of drug. Lastly, offenses and penalties. Any offense related to Drug and Magic Remedies Act punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or with a fine or both on first conviction. And second, punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or with a fine or both on subsequent conviction. Thank you. Thank you very much. In this chapter, near about 8 marks questions are asked. In annual exam, questions may be give the object of Drug and Magic Remedies Act, give the classes of prohibited and exempted advertisement, and give the offenses and penalties of DMR Act or OA Act, define advertisements, magic remedies, and drug. Okay.